Let me ask you something honestly. If someone looked at your daily routine, would they know what actually matters to you? Or would they think your phone matters more than your future, comfort matters more than your discipline, and people matter more than your self respect? Because here's the truth nobody says out aloud: your life doesn't fall apart randomly, it reflects your priorities. There was a time when I said my goals were important. I said growth mattered. I said my future mattered. But my actions, they showed something else. I prioritized distractions, prioritized attention, prioritized feelings over direction. And slowly, my focus died, my discipline weakened, and my self respect followed. Not because I was lazy, but because my priorities were wrong. So let me be clear: you don't lack time, you don't lack motivation, you lack priority, clarity. Everyone has the same 24 hours. The difference is what they protect and what they sacrifice. Some people sacrifice sleep for growth, some sacrifice growth for comfort, some protect their peace, some give it away to anyone who asks. So, if you prioritize people who don't prioritize you, you'll always feel empty. If you prioritize pleasure over purpose, you'll feel lost. If you prioritize short term happiness, long term regret is guaranteed. Your pain today is often the bill for yesterday's priorities. So, how do we fix this? You don't fix your whole life at once. You fix what comes first. Ask yourself every day, what deserves my energy today? What is silently ruining my future? Who gets access to me and who doesn't? And then act accordingly. Because discipline is not punishment, it's self respect in action. Your priorities decide who you become, what you tolerate, and where you end up. Not your intentions, not your words, your choices. One day you look back at this phase of life and you'll either say, I'm proud I chose myself, or I wish I took things seriously sooner. So choose wisely. You don't need to do everything. You just need to do the right things first. Get your priorities straight and your life will follow. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it.